Hello guys, a new mining site for NFT coin. It's free mining. Like you see, this is the homepage. The link will be in the description, also on the first comment of the video. Watch carefully to understand how it works. After registration, you will get the bonus for NFT here, for 20 NFT here. Like you see, you will have this home page. Like you see, I have NFT here for NFT, and I have 0.009498 VGH. It's a coin. I will explain how to get these coins. Like you see, for the first, you have a free roll every hour. You click go to free to get free NFT. Like we see, this is my rolls. Every hour you make a roll to get over 500 NFT for free. Every hour you do this to get free NFT. This is for the first. You click in the menu. Here you will find your wallet. I already show your wallet here. The statue, like you see, this is a statue. You can buy a miner for you. Let's go. Don't use this. Here mining. In mining, you will find available server. From your free NFT. When you collect free NFT every hour and the bonus of NFT when registering, you can rent a miner for 24 hours. This one for 3 NFT, this one for 7 NFT, this one for 19 NFT. I already ran this anti-miner V9. If you see here, I already make a miner of anti-miner C1 and V9. Like you see, this is C1 and this is V9. I already mine. For anti-miner C1, it's finished. I earned 14 Leia. For this anti-miner V9, I already buying from my free NFT collection. Now it's mining for me. It takes 24 hours, and every 24 hours you repeat that to mine for you free coins. Like I show you, like I get Leia coins. Now we go to menu. If you want to send or receive NFT, you can send here. If you want to send your money, you can choose NFT. You can choose any coin of these. Like you see, this is all coins. You can choose anyone, and put your address here and put your amount here. This is the network fee. But how to get these coins from our NFT site? It's simple. We go to swap. If you activate miner and get Leia coins, you select Leia here, you put maximum, then you choose to swap to NFT on any other coins that you want. It's very simple. Also for NFT, you can swap for any coin that you want. Like you see here, you swap your coins minus to NFT or any coin listed here. Like you see, this is the listed coin here. This is how it's work. It's very simple. Also there is staking. If you want to stake NFT, if you click in wallet, like you see, we have wallet here. Here I explain you get free NFT every hour. That's all for this site. Work every hour to get free NFT. Also buy miner by you free mining NFT, and that's all. Collect NFT. After that you can send your earning to any wallet that you want. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.